What's good, guys? It's your boy Dre Black, and we're back with another video. And today I want to do a quick video on how to make a Twitch account and how to make a Discord and join someone's Discord, because a lot of you guys were messaging me within the past couple months talking about Twitch, and then some people asking about my Discord code and stuff like that and how to join the Discord. So I decided to combine the two videos into one to help you guys out, because it's really important that you join the Discord. That way you know when I stream on Twitch and what game I stream on Twitch and what time I stream on Twitch, and that you know when I post a video on YouTube, whether it's on my gaming channel, DreBlackGaming, or whether it's on my All Dre Entertainment channel where I post non-gaming stuff. It's very important that you have the Discord. The Discord is like a text message, a group text message with all of us, or like a chat service or whatever. It has different channels set up where you have an announcements channel where I will be posting announcements like when I'm streaming and stuff like that. It has a main chat where we can chat together as a group, and has a whole bunch of different components to it. And Twitch, the reason why I'm only streaming on Twitch now is because it makes sense. Twitch is made for streaming, like just like YouTube is made for posting videos. I'm gonna just do streaming on Twitch, and I do not want you guys to miss out on that, because I have a lot of fun over there, and we've had a lot of fun over here on the YouTube, and I want to make sure that I transfer some of you guys over to the Twitch, because that's very important to me. Will I still post gaming videos on YouTube? Of course. I'm never going to stop. School just ended for me, so now I'm going to get back into the videos at a faster rate. I've been posting videos during school, but now I'm going to post at a very faster rate, because I have time to edit videos, I have time to record and play games more. So I just want you guys to be on YouTube, Twitch, and Discord. I want to get you everywhere. And if you got social media, go to the description of this video and you can add me there if you want to. But yeah, without further ado, I've been talking for a minute. Let's get straight into the video. So, all right, so this is my Discord, right? Me, the owner. So when you first join it, I changed my code. So if you have the new code, you should be on the welcome page. The welcome page tells you what each channel does. And these are the channels here on the side, right? This is the main chat where we all mostly talk to each other. This is the announcements only I can post here. I will let you know when I'm streaming, posting videos, etc. here. I used to do all of this stuff in the main chat, but now I'm just doing this in announcements. Suggestions, I really want you guys to get into suggestions. Suggestions on my Discord are for you guys. Any feedback, any comments, anything you want to say, whether it's about Discord, Twitch, YouTube, if you have any constructive criticism, anything goes here. You know what I'm saying? I look at this, anything that's put here, I look at it and I strongly consider. My boy Black Brand said play Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. I highly considered it, even though I haven't played it yet. It's a really old game and I'm still debating whether or not I want to do it, but I love this section because you guys get to tell me what you think about certain things, because I know a lot of you guys don't comment on my videos and that really makes me sad. But if you could at least comment in the suggestions section or talk to me in the main chat, I guess that would make up for it. This is the rules. We have simple rules here in my Discord. No links. Each rule has a meaning behind it, so don't just think I'm just being mean. No links, because you know some people will spam with links and it will be to certain things that are either inappropriate or have nothing to do with the Discord itself. No bullying, obviously. No racism, obviously. You see where it says edited here? There was more to this one, but I had to edit it because I didn't want to make it seem like I was threatening anybody. Yeah, no racism. No self-promotion. That's the obvious one. Self-promotion is like those people who come to the Discord not to be a part of the community, but to just spam, oh, subscribe to me, and then leave. That's for those people, because there's a lot of people who do that. They don't even want to be a part of our situation. They just want to join in and say subscribe to me and leave, you know, and that's not fair. Most rules don't apply in the no rules here channel for older members. So what that means is there's a no rules here section. Basically, this has less restrictions. You can say almost anything you want. I mean, still rules apply, like no bullying and no racism, no stuff. Basically all the rules apply. The links part, I think you can do links in this section, I forgot. And then here's the notification section. This just shows you how to turn your notifications on in Discord. So once you join my Discord, this will show you how to turn your notifications on your mobile device. This is very important. A lot of people, look at all these offline people. A lot of these people have their notifications off. If you are grayed out, you probably have your notifications off and you don't know how to turn them back on. It's very important that you turn them back on. A lot of these people over here probably think I don't even make videos anymore. You know why? Because they got their notifications off. So very important that you turn these back on. That way you know when I post videos. Also, you turn your notifications on YouTube. That would help out a lot. And on Twitch. You guys can also send me direct messages. So in order to get to the direct messages, you just hit the home button here, and everybody you have direct messages with here on the side, they pop up. I'm not going to click on anybody's messages because there's some really personal messages I've had with some of you guys, and I don't want to share that in this video, but that's basically how you do it. And if you want to get back to the chat, you just click on DreBlack chat. And if you want to go back to the DMs, click home and then click on that person's name. It's that simple. Even if you don't want to say like certain stuff in the main chat and you still want to talk to me personally without anybody else seeing it, just go home and then click on my name, wherever you see my name at, and you can direct message me. Okay, let's get back into showing you how to actually make a Discord account. In this video, I'll be making the Discord account on my laptop, okay? You can also do this on your phone. I'm just doing it on my laptop because it's easier to record on here, but the same rules apply for your phone. So you just simply type in your email. Now, if you have a YouTube account, then you have an email, basically. And if you have an email, you have a password. It doesn't have to be the exact same password as long as it's a password that you remember. After you make your Discord account, it's very, very important that you go to your email and hit verify email. This is a fundamental key, okay? If you don't do this, there are certain features in Discord that you will not have access to, okay? Like number one, when I click on here and I scroll up and I see that DreBlack has posted that he has a new announcement, if I click on this announcement on my phone, it won't work because I did not verify my email. But once I verify my email, then I can click on the announcement and it takes me straight to the announcement tab. Then I can see that DreBlack has streamed on GTA 5 on Twitch last night at 8:48 p.m. Let's say you want to join the Discord, right? Add a server, join a server. You want to join, okay? So you hit join a server and it says enter an invite. Okay, so when you go to any of my videos, you go to the description. The first link in the description is my Discord link here. So if you're on the desktop, you can just simply copy and paste. Just like that, and you're in my Discord, right? Or maybe you just can't remember all that. Maybe you can only remember this part. You can just put this part in the Discord and it should work. Yeah, it worked. See? So you can just put that part in or you can put the whole link in. It's very easy. It's very simple. And that is how you join the Discord. Okay, moving on to how to make a Twitch account. Okay, same as the making the Discord. I'm going to start off doing this on the desktop just because it's easier to record for you guys, but it's the same on the mobile. Compared to the Discord part of the video, I already had that account made. Right here on the Twitch part of the video, I'm making this from scratch. So once you got your password in there, your username, your birthday. Birthday here is important because, you know, if you're underage, there's certain content on Twitch that they're going to try to avoid you watching. So don't lie about your birthday like I used to do when I was little. Just be honest. That way you don't get exposed to content on Twitch that you're not supposed to have. I think on my streams you should be you should have access to. I'm not really a vulgar person like that on Twitch, so you should have access to all of my stuff. But once you do that, all you do is click sign up here. Basically on Twitch, just like Discord, if you do not verify your email, there are certain features that you will lose out on, and it is very, very, very important that you verify your email. So they ask for a 6-digit code here for my email. Simply just go to your email. You can either hit verify your email account, or you can just type in the code. Me, I'm gonna just type in the code and call it a day. All right, thanks for verifying your email address. Cool. Once you've done that, you now have drum roll please, brrr, a Twitch account. Now I know what you're thinking, Dre, that wasn't hard at all. What was I tripping about? This whole time I could have been watching your streams on I was trying to tell you that, okay? It's not that hard. Basically, a username, an email, a password. You go to your email, you verify your Twitch account. Very easy. Once you do that, you have a Twitch account. Easy, simple as that, right? When you go to the Twitch homepage, right? You can choose some interests. And you can click on any of these things, right? They tell you to choose 3 or more. I'm gonna click on GTA 5. I'm gonna click on Minecraft just to save some time, and we need one more. Let's see, Apex, obviously. Come on now, and hit done. And then once you do that, now when you come to your homepage, you'll have recommended videos here. But I know what you're thinking. That's only half the battle. How do I find DreBlackGaming? I wonder if I type in DreBlackGaming, will he pop up? Or will it be extra hard to find? Wait, whoa, I didn't even finish typing his name in before I saw it. Let me click this and see if that's him. Whoa, that guy looks just like, yeah, that's me, guys. Okay, so what you do is you click on my name, right? Boom, 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 boom. Go here. You see this little heart right here? You hit follow. Boom. You see this? My notifications are automatically on. Okay, if I click this again, it says turn notifications off, but I'm not going to click it because once I followed for the first time, my noties are automatically on. So I'm going to leave that alone. That way, every time Dre Black streams, I will know. And if I don't know from there, well, do not fret. I can just go to Discord and check the announcement section and see if Dre Black is live. Because I also have my notifications on Discord. Also, I can go to my YouTube and check my notifications to see if Dre Black has posted a video. Twitch has these achievements, right? And it says build a community. So reach 50 followers. I've done that on Twitch. I have 100 followers on Twitch already. Okay. Get 5 people chatting at the same time. I've only had 3 people in my stream at the same time. I need to get at least 5 people in the stream at the same time. Now, you know, on YouTube, back in the day, before school had started, this would be an easy feat. We would have like 7 people like typing at the same time. But on Twitch, it's not like that. I need you guys' support. I need you to come over to the Twitch side and help your brother out. The second step or achievement is path to affiliate. I'm not a Twitch affiliate yet, but I'm almost there. You need to reach 50 followers. I have 100. Check. You need to stream for 8 hours. Y'all know I stream a lot. I have 41 hours on Twitch, right? And this is what, 30 days? You need to stream 8 hours in 30 days. You know that's easy for me. You know that's super easy. So I got that check. Stream on 7 different days. Easy. 17 out of 7. Easy. Average of 3 viewers. I need to average 3 viewers, I think, what, every stream? Concurrent viewership, including host and rate. So I need to have at least 3 people watching my streams, at least every stream. Okay, maybe not the whole entire stream, but for the most part, and I know we can get that easily. And after you're a Twitch affiliate, you are a Twitch partner. And to be a partner, you have to stream for 25 hours. As you can see, I do that. 25 hours within 30 days. That's super easy for me. Stream on 12 different days. 17 out of 12. Check. Super easy. Average of 75 viewers. Okay, so we're not here yet on this step. I don't have 75 viewers on my streams. Okay, so we're not a partner yet with Twitch. But at least we can go ahead and be an affiliate. All we need is an average of 3 viewers on the stream. So every single stream, I need at least 3 or more people. If we have more than 3 people, we can get this a lot faster, okay? So I know you guys can help me out with that easily. Just coming to the streams and hanging out with me. Even if you don't like the game, you can just come out and chat with them. We can make the chat fun like we used to back in the day when I used to stream on YouTube. So I just need you guys to come over to the dark side. That's the easiest way to make a Twitch account. Follow me on Twitch, and the easiest way to make a Discord account and join my Discord. It's super easy, super simple, and I hope you guys take the necessary steps to do so. If you have any questions or concerns, message me on Discord, comment on this video, DM me, on social media, whatever it is you got to do. I just want to make sure we all make it to the Twitch and to the Discord. You know what I'm saying? As long as we all make it, and whatever I need to do to help you guys out, I will help you. So just message me if you need help in this video. Comment down below. You know I look at my comments. You know I look at my Discord. Other than that, appreciate you guys for watching the video. I'm gonna catch you later. Peace.